Hello everybody, it's Dutch104 here and welcome to my video. In today's video I will mostly showing you my Citadel Games Workshop collection of old metal ogres and orgrins. I've been collecting these ogre models for about 18-20 years I think, so over the years I've picked up quite a few. I've got a few doubles here and there, and I just thought I might want to share these nice old figures with you. A lot of these figures in the line on the left here were released way back in 1985. They didn't have names as such, more like character types. So no further ado, first one there, the Oriental Ogre. A mercenary captain. I don't know what his name was. Guy with a club. Executioner. Guy with a big axe. And you've got a berserker ogre. And this chappy here, he's a chaos ogre. And the next one, he's a bandit ogre. And next one known as a marauder, and the guy here with the blue headdress, he's an ogre thug. I don't know what the chappy with the big hammer was ever called. The guy in the green armour was Scrag the Slaughterer, one of my favourite models. Next one is a Bob Ollie sculpt with the two clubs there. And then a chap with the big shield, he was known as the Warlord. And then the guy at the end there, he was known as the as a shaman. I've been fortunate enough to get a few doubles and triples in one case. Quite nice. At the back here we've got a selection of ogres by Marauder Miniatures. I think this chap's part of the Marauder range. I hope he is. Oh, he's there anyway. These guys here, all by Marauder Miniatures. Rather nice. These were sculpted by, I'm pretty sure it's Trish and Ali Mollison, whereas most of the ogres at the front here, all sculpted by Jez Goodwin. I've got a couple of Blood Bowl ogres, Morgan Thorpe on the left, and his new version of him on the right. And more recent times, the ogres were sort of remade, and I think some of these guys here are Gold Flag's mercenary ogres, which have been done about 3 or 4 times in this particular set. And this chubby here, I'm pretty sure is a chaos ogre with a horn. Now these two are some of the original 40k Ogrins. The guy on the right there is a solid sculpt, and the guy on the left is the he's got separate arms, but basically it's the same sort of model. And then some of the newer, older newer Ogrins. And of course, can't forget Thrud, everyone's favourite 10-ton bundle of fun, as he's sometimes described. And he was my my Ogrin captain. The funny thing was when the Ogrins first came out for 40k, the sergeants, or the bonehead, they were issued with a whipper gun, and the vast majority of the Ogrin squad was standard issue hand weapons. So the idea was you can pick any of these guys out of your existing collection, put them on a different base, and then well, square bases back in the day, and obviously they got to round bases for the 40k monsters. You can use any of these sort of chaps in the 40k Imperial Guard army. And of course, you can't talk about 40k ogres and ogrins and monsters without mentioning the Amble. It's quite an old model, released back in the days of Rogue Trader. I'm pretty sure Space Marine players could use them to either bore through enemy fortifications or just walk up to the enemy troops because they had some sort of explosive collar. They could be detonated. Quite an odd little character, but quite a nice figure. Of course, then since this original idea came out, Ogrins these days, they have round bases because when they first came out they had square. But more importantly, the whole squad now get ripper guns. But again, that they've evolved into the 8th version. We get grenade launchers, or we can just have guys with big clubs and shields, depending which Fairhunter squad you wish to have. And you can also have one as a bodyguard, which is quite a nice idea. Now, regarding the later release, like Age of Sigmar, Ogre Kingdoms sort of models, they're quite nice. I don't play Factory Battle, so I've got no real interest in them. I know you can sort of convert them to 40k, but I much prefer these older models. I don't have. I know they did release some metal versions. There was the guy with the anchor, some sort of mercenary captain. There was an ogre ninja. I think there was a female ogre, which is a nice idea. Sort of harks back to the good old days, as it were. All these different sort of variations. But I see the new models are a bit too regimented for my liking. There we are. But that's why I thought. I haven't really got space to keep all these chaps now, so some of these are going to have to go, which is a bit of a shame. But that's why I thought I'll put them all together in one video, one last time, as it were. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. And until next time, take care.